Howdy, y'all. Been wanting to put this on the Books of Faces for a while, and had several people ask me if all the videos that I've been doing over the last couple months and posting them, if I would do this one. It's an older song, and it's one of my favorites, and apparently a couple other people's too. So it's called Hurricane Wind. Oh yeah, and sorry about the legs and the flip-flops and the ball cap. You know, you can't all dress like we are on stage at home every day. A hurricane wind ripped me apart, tore down the walls built around my heart. The calm in your eyes never showed the rage within. You blew me away like a hurricane wind. These deep roots I've always had, I kept my head out of the clouds, I kept my feet down on the ground. I never saw the storm clouds over me. Blue skies and blue eyes was all that I could see when a hurricane wind ripped me apart, tore down the walls built around my heart. The calm in your eye, well, it never showed the rage within. You blew me away like a hurricane wind. I've always traveled down the safest path in life and in love. I took no turns I was unsure of. You came along and my heart said take a chance. Out of my seat, up on my feet, and I was gonna learn to dance when a hurricane wind ripped me apart, tore down the walls built around my heart. The calm in your eye, well, it never showed the rage within. You blew me away like a hurricane wind. You blew me away. Should have listened to the warning of the sirens telling me the sky was gonna fall. There won't be nothing left when it's over. This is the big one, this one took it all. A hurricane wind ripped me apart and tore down the walls built around my heart. The calm in your eye never showed the rage within. You blew me away like a hurricane wind. You blew me away like a hurricane wind. You blew me away. Thanks, y'all. Hope you dug it.